Hi! Brushmarkers Pro are watermarkers with a brush-like nib, so it's possible to work with them like in watercolor techniques. I will show you today how to mix colors on paper with the use of a brush or blender, whereas in other videos, you will be able to see other techniques. I have prepared primary colors so that I could show you all the better the whole spectrum of the marker's possibilities. It's also possible to brighten the marker's saturated colors with the use of water. Having even a small color palette at our disposal, we can obtain a lot more of them precisely thanks to blending. The effect depends on the proportion of the applied colors. Mixing colors on paper is one of the available options. We can also mix the colors on a palette, which you can see in another video on our channel. Of course, you can use a wider range of colors, because Brushmarkers Pro are available in 60 different shades. Brushmarkers Pro are produced in the liquid ink technology, thanks to which they do not change color intensity, and you will be able to use them up till the very last drop. You can achieve similar results with the use of blender, which is more precise than water brush or normal paintbrushes we dip in water. We can use the blender to mix or brighten colors, just like we would use water. Remember that each time you use the blender on a colored surface, you should later clean it on a separate clean sheet of paper. All markers should be cleaned the same way if you are blending their colors directly on the tips. If you have any questions, write them in the comments, and see you in the next instruction videos on our channel.